Okay, you see me standing here. Right here, there's a spinning metal target. I don't know if you can see it because it's small, but that's what we're shooting at. So I'm going to shoot the rest of Big Tex Rebel's ammunition he gave me, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to shoot 3 magazines of it. So this is probably a long shot, probably 20 yards. So here we go. That's the last one. 22. Let's see if I can hit some steel. Yes, I hit it. We got a stovepipe once again. 3rd time. So get that out of there. Try it again. Oh, what the? Okay. That was one. That's the 3rd one we've had so far. So we'll try it again. Yeah, I know. My brother's coming out here to watch, so. All right. Another stovepipe. So, as we can see, once again we have a stovepipe. Keep trying it up. Last magazine. Okay, so that was it. I did decent, but of course I did not enjoy the steel case ammunition. So I would not shoot that as much. It was 4 out of 50, so I guess 8.5% or so. It did not like. It jammed up 8.5%. That doesn't meet my standards even for practice. So thanks for the ammo though, and that was a good test. Appreciate it, bro.